Hello there. Welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to talk about the ultimate side hustle tier list 2023. First up we have crypto trading, D tier. There's simply way too much risk and you need a lot of money to invest to make a decent return. Amazon FBA, C tier. It costs thousands to even start because you to buy all the inventory in the beginning. And that's not all, selling on Amazon is super competitive and for every piece of inventory you don't sell, Amazon charges you a fee. Next up is drop shipping, B tier. Somewhat similar to Amazon FBA but you don't have to buy the inventory up front. Moreover it's really hard to find a winning product and even after doing so you need to have a lot of traffic because the profit margins are very small. Remote closing, a tier equals you can make $500 or more per sale while sitting on your couch. The only down points of this one is that you have to learn how to sell over the phone, which could take a while. Ghost commerce, S tier equals you can be the middleman for someone else's high-ticket product and make $500 or more per sale, but never actually have to sell it yourself. So that is all folks, think and re-examine them before starting any of them. That is all for today. And if you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. We will see you in the next video. Till then, good luck.